Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Google Sheets. We'll explore their core strengths, helping you decide which spreadsheet software best fits your needs. Excel provides powerful desktop capabilities and extensive functions, ideal for complex data analysis. Google Sheets, on the other hand, shines with its seamless cloud collaboration and accessibility from any device. Let's dive into the specifics of each platform. When it comes to features, Excel boasts a comprehensive suite of tools, including advanced pivot tables and sophisticated data modeling. It's often preferred for highly specialized tasks requiring deep analytical power. Google Sheets offers strong web-based features, like easy sharing and version history, making it perfect for team projects. Both platforms allow for custom automation using VBA in Excel and Apps Script in Google Sheets, extending their capabilities significantly. Collaboration is where Google Sheets truly stands out, enabling multiple users to work on the same document simultaneously with instant updates. This real-time editing fosters incredible teamwork. While Excel also supports co-authoring through services like OneDrive, the experience can sometimes feel less integrated than Google's native cloud environment. Google Sheets' web-based nature means you can access your files from virtually any device, anywhere, with just an internet connection. For performance, Excel generally has an edge when dealing with massive datasets, processing millions of rows and intricate formulas with impressive speed. Google Sheets performs admirably for most everyday tasks and smaller to medium-sized files. Regarding cost, Google Sheets is free with a Google account, offering excellent value. Excel is part of Microsoft 365, requiring a subscription for full access. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.